Hey friends, welcome to One Little Coder. In this video we are going to see how to sort ggplot bar plots. This might look very silly to you, but the problem is I've seen a lot of people facing this problem, and even recently there was a viral tweet, so I thought someone has to put it out, so I've decided to do that. So it's actually quite easy. So let's first start with building a ggplot bar plot. The first step is we need a data set, so we'll use Diamonds data set. If you have not seen Diamonds data set, so it has got caret, cut, color, clarity, depth, and then few other continuous variable which is price. So what we are going to do at the start is we have to group it by so let's say we want to make a bar plot of average price of the cut. So group it by cut and summarize it by average price. Average price is equal to mean of price. So you have something like this. So once you have this thing, so let's just make a ggplot bar plot. Geom bar AES, your X is cut and your Y is average price. You can see that you are facing this error called stat underscore count. This is an error again we have faced n number of times. So this the way you solve this error is you have to put stat equal to identity, then you can solve this error. But the easiest way to avoid this error is, in fact, in the first place, do not use geom bar in that case. If you want, if you have already have pre-calculated values, just simply use geom call. So geom call is nothing but the same thing, but you don't have to write a few more lines or face that error. So given that, now you can actually see that these bars are not sorted, and this is how you actually see a lot of plots, especially in R, when it is built with ggplot, because people either don't take the pain of sorting it, or most of the times people don't know how to sort it and they have to Google it. So the easiest way is, the thing you have to understand is the x-axis, these labels, these are like factors when you plot in ggplot. So what you have to do is you have to sort these factors, or you have to order the levels of these factors with respect to the average price value, and that's what we are going to do. So there are two ways you can do it. We'll see both the ways. The first way is probably not the most tidy way. So you can use the function base or function reorder, and then you can say I want to sort this by average price. So when you run this, you can see that it is sorted ascending order. Maybe you don't want it ascending order. Let's say you want to sort it by descending order. So you can say minus of average price. So simply using the function reorder, you can get this done. You can just sort it either ascending order or descending order. Let's say you don't want to do it like this. You want to do it in a tidy way so that the code is more readable for anyone who sees. So the way you can do that is, even before plotting this ggplot, what you can do is you can say just before the plot, mutate. You are trying to change the column of cut with respect to FCT reorder. So it comes from the package forcats, which is to manipulate factor variables or categorical variables. So you can say FCT reorder of cut with respect to average price, and let's put pipe, and then let's view it first. How does it look? Now you can actually see that this has been internally, even though the output looks same, internally the factor has been sorted. So now if you make the plot, you can see that it has been sorted. So when you do not have this and you make the plot, it is unsorted. But when you add the single line, which is just you're trying to reorder the factor within this cut with respect to the price, then it is sorted. If you want it in descending order, you can simply put a minus, simply put a minus and sort it. So it's as simple as that. You can use any method that you like to do it, and this will make your plot look much more good, more insight, and it is also much easier to do it because it's just single line. Either use FCT reorder or simply use base reorder within your aesthetic. So I hope this video was helpful for you to make a better sorted bar plot. If you know anyone who has suffered from this, please share this, and if you think this video is very silly, my apologies for it. If you have any comments, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much.